Hey everyone, it's me again. Today we're going to talk about something super important, World Cancer Day. Did you know that cancer is a really big problem that affects lots of people all over the world? It's true, and sometimes it even affects kids too. But the good news is that we can learn about it and even help out in a fun way. You know how much I love to color and do crafts? Well, today I'm going to show you some awesome activities that we can do to help raise awareness for World Cancer Day. We can learn about being kind and helping others who might be fighting cancer. We're going to have so much fun while learning, just like we always do. Are you ready? I am super duper ready. Let's get started. For our first activity, we're going to color. Coloring is so much fun, and it helps me to be creative. We have these super cool coloring sheets from Ideazsuper, and they have pictures about cancer awareness. We can use our favorite crayons, markers, or colored pencils to make them super bright and colorful. As we color, we can talk about what cancer is and how important it is to be aware of it. Remember everyone, it's okay to ask questions if you don't understand something. It's how we learn. When we're done coloring, we can even hang them up to remind us about World Cancer Day and how we can help. Next up, we're going to make some super special cards for kids who are fighting cancer. It's called compassion cards, which is a big word, but it just means we're sending love and good vibes their way. We can use construction paper, glitter, stickers, anything we want to make our cards super bright and cheerful. We can even write little messages inside like "Get well soon" or "You are so strong." I bet these cards will make those kids smile and feel loved. It feels good to help others, right? Let's spread some kindness. Who wants cupcakes? I know I do. And you know what's even better than eating cupcakes? Baking them for a good cause. Let's bake some yummy cupcakes and take them to a hospital or a place that helps kids with cancer. We can make vanilla cupcakes, chocolate cupcakes, or even rainbow cupcakes, and don't forget the sprinkles, lots and lots of sprinkles. Baking together is always fun, and it's even more special when we do it for someone else. It's like sharing a little bit of our love through cupcakes. Yum! Story time, learning about cancer. It's story time, everyone. But today's story is extra special because we're going to learn about childhood cancer. There are lots of books out there that explain things in a simple way that's easy for kids to understand. We can learn about the different types of cancer, how doctors treat it, and most importantly, how we can help. Reading about these amazing kids who are fighting cancer will inspire us to be brave and kind. Remember, knowledge is power, and the more we know about cancer, the more we can help. Ribbon power. Did you know that different colors of ribbons represent different types of cancer? It's true. Today we're going to make our own ribbons to show our support for everyone fighting cancer. We can use colorful ribbons, glue, and even glitter to make them extra special. We can wear our ribbons proudly or give them to friends and family to spread awareness. Every time someone sees our ribbons, they'll be reminded of how important it is to support cancer research and help find a cure. Painting rocks of hope. For our last activity, we're going to spread some positivity by painting rocks. We can find smooth rocks outside and then use paint to write inspiring messages on them. We can write things like "Stay strong," "Never give up," or "You are loved." Once our rocks are dry, we can place them in a park, a garden, or even near a hospital where people can see them and feel hopeful. It's like spreading little bits of happiness wherever we go. World Cancer Day, making a difference together. Wow, we did it. We learned so much about World Cancer Day and how we can help make a difference. It's important to remember that even though cancer is a serious issue, we can still have fun while raising awareness and showing our support. Don't forget to check out Ideazsuper's website for even more fun activities and worksheets that you can download for free. They have so many cool resources that make learning about important topics easy and fun. Remember, every little bit helps, and together, we can make a difference in the fight against cancer. Bye everyone. See you next time.